Hey everyone, Noble Chihuahua here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common household problem with homes that use well water, rust stains in our tubs. We're going to compare two popular products. One is Iron Out and the other one is called TheWorks Disinfecting Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Which one of these two products will remove those stubborn rust stains more effectively? Let's find out. First up, let's introduce our contenders. We have Iron Out, specifically formulated for rust removal. It's well known for tackling tough stains caused by iron in your water supply. And on the other side, we have TheWorks Disinfecting Toilet Bowl Cleaner, which promises to clean and disinfect. But how does it hold up against rust? Safety first. Always wear your gloves and goggles when working with cleaners. Let's get started with Iron Out. Iron Out recommends wetting the area, then applying the powder straight to a sponge or cloth. I'm going to follow the directions exactly as the bottle says, and I'm going to apply it to a cloth, then rub it until the stains are gone. All right, we've done enough scrubbing. Let's see how it performed. Let's first rinse it with water. Iron Out did a great job, but it left some residue on the vertical surface. And no matter how much I scrubbed it, it just wouldn't come off. Now let's see how the work stacks up. There are no instructions for a tub, but I'll just pour it out on the area and scrub. After pouring some out, I can see that the red stains are already streaking, so it looks promising. As you can see, with minor scrubbing, I was able to remove what rust out left. So it's already telling me that it's a better product than rust out. After rinsing it out with water, it looks even better. So what's the verdict? While Iron Out did a decent job at removing the rust stains, it needed a lot of scrubbing to do it, and it wasn't able to remove the stains on a vertical surface. TheWorks removed the stains way easier and with less effort. If your main goal is to remove rust stains from a tub, I'd say go with TheWorks. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY videos and product reviews. Have you tried either of these products? Let us know in the comments below.